This is the spa filter auto cleaner that I made out of a irrigation tripod and some PVC. There's the filter for the spa. It's a tripod, and drill some holes in it. I'll turn on the water to show you. It goes everywhere. It's like a little, turn it up halfway. Here it is closer. Simply the tripod connected to a garden hose, and I had an extra valve added. This is my existing garden hose, so I can control it. Comes up to just a blank cover that you get in the plumbing section. Drill a hole in it, take out the irrigation head, put in a 1/2 inch, in this case threaded. I used another threaded head so I can remove this whole assembly if I need to, clean it out, and then threaded male to solvent 1/2 inch pipe, 1/2 inch pipe, 4 holes because of the height of mine, and on 3 sides, so it sprays in all 3 directions. Solvent head 1/2 inch, as those 16 heads or so spray out, and I can just walk away. So I put it in the grass so the splashback has come on you, but currently when I clean them I get bitten quite a bit, or you're in the sun, or it's not very clean, or in a rush. So now put this on, walk away for a couple minutes. I also then come back, I turn it off, flip the unit just to make sure, because there's obviously going to be more pressure down at the bottom and less at the top as it goes. So as I clean this, I just flip it, and then I don't have to deal with actual hand cleaning anymore and go do other things like clean out the spa with whatever stuff that fell into it. Hope it helps. Here's the existing sprinkler tripod head as it comes. Just take this part, unscrew it. It's assembly with a gasket. It leaves a 1/2 inch hole. Here's the wand, we'll call it the cleaning wand, 1/2 inch pipe all the way, male threaded. Used a step bit, a 3/4 inch bit, since I didn't have a hole saw that was exactly the size but not too big to bite into that collar. Then cleaned it up with like a sanding drill bit, and a little bit more file work, 30 seconds, and then it's done. It looks like this. This is the original without the hole. So it made a center, made a hole. As you saw, this part fits in. Make it as tight as you want if you want it to have threaded. And that the part that sits on the tripod. So, and then it has a nice sturdy base. That's what I was looking for, something that didn't topple the heavy water filter as it's being cleaned. And then lastly is the attachment for a gooseneck shut off, so that way you can shut it off right from here. You don't have to walk all the way back to the hose and turn it off and on.